So let's make our program more efficient. That way we can test it out better for ourselves too. So right now we can only shoot the snowball one time because we have to keep clicking the flag. So can you guess how we can shoot more than one time? Here's a hint. We need to add a forever block, and then we also need to set the power back to 0 because we keep having a high enough strength to throw really fast. So let's go ahead and see what we can do to our original code. We want this action to keep happening. So let's add in a forever loop around this code. That way it still goes through the list, but then it still has to wait to throw in order for this list to repeat. And then we need to set the power to the 0 block. And we'll do that at the very top too inside the forever loop. Because once it finishes throwing, your power should also be reset at the beginning. So let's set the power to 0. And make sure everything is inside the loop. And test it out. Let's click on the flag. And if we were to aim with our snowball, we will hold the power. We're in the second repeat until loop. And now we are throwing. Do it again. Hold the power and throw. You can continue to hold the power and throw. What happens if I do 2 less? It's still gliding. Even with just 4 power strength. Interesting. As you make these games, feel free to have an eye for any bugs or glitches that come along your way. Maybe they'll give you a hint on what you should improve in your game next. Let's make a more realistic throwing though, since our power was so low and we were still able to throw it.